Every machine needs a friendly face, and we strongly believe that the display devices are that friendly face. And I would like to catch up with Fabio about mounting the display devices. I saw a lot of round pipes below our new CP4 and CP5 devices. What's about that?
Yeah, well, this was the mounting solution we have shown for the new panels so far. So when we showed them for the first time in Hanover this year, we showed them only for the 48 millimeter mounting tube. And from my point of view, this is the most elegant way actually to mount those panels, right?
A pillar is a wonderful geometrical structure.
Yeah, but nevertheless, there are several customers who have their own mounting adapters, competitors' mounting adapters whatsoever. And this is why, based on the same components, we also did another mounting adaptation for 100 by 100 mounting options, right? So this is what you can see here.
Okay.
And also in this example, we can see the way we think the new products, right? We want to be more functional, more easy in installation, for example. And I have one example right here.
Not a round thread here.
Yeah, not a round threaded connector anymore, right? So
closer so we can have a look here.
we know that from the past when you had to connect several cables and they themselves were IP65 connected, this could be really a mess, right? And now we have IP20 connectors, simple USB connectors like this one, for example. You just plug them in the right direction. You have the gasket right here. Place a cover over it, and that's it. You have your total IP65 proof connection and in a much less time installed.
Wow, that looks very nice. I think that's a very handy development which a lot of customers will enjoy, but also customers enjoy a lot of performance. Felix talked yesterday a lot about new CPUs, Intel Amston Lake, was one of the keywords. How are we integrating this one?
Yeah, but yesterday you all saw this PC right here, beautiful PC. And if you have a look on the heatsink right here, you might see that this is some kind of familiar, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, this is because we are so convinced of this CPU we are using right here, this new Intel Atom Amston Lake processors.
8 cores.
8 cores, up to 8 cores, right? And they are so beautifully behaving, especially with their boosting features, right? Clock frequencies up to 3 gigahertz that are also useful, especially for an HMI. And this is why we're putting exactly those CPUs also in our new CP57 and 47.
Okay,
right?
but we also have some other CPUs, for example, the ARM CPUs. Does this mean we only use them for web panels now?
Yeah, well, this is something you always combine, right? You hear ARM and you think web panel. But we think this is too limited, actually. So, of course, you can use it as a simple HMI, perfectly suited for Trinket 3 HMI applications, but it can do so much more, as it is like all Beckhoff PCs, the base for Trinket and all its features. So it could be your central control as well. And it comes with a lot of performance, actually. We got hybrid architectures there as well, so up to 6 cores with each 2 gigahertz, so not comparable to a single core ARM we had in the past.
Okay, so a very scalable performance portfolio performance-wise. So many CPUs, so many great display devices, capable of almost everything, right?
You get a huge matrix out of different features, different display sizes. For the mounting arm adaptation or for the control cabinet installation, CPUs, passive connection whatsoever.
I think that's a wonderful message for the exhibition. We have our wonderful new panels here, can be enjoyed today here until 6 p.m. And of course, with our colleagues in the office closest to you at your place.